What's the meaning of aquatint? Aquatint. Aquatint.
Aquatint. Aquatint. Aquatint is an intaglio printmaking technique used to create tonal areas rather than lines. The artist creates a series of microscopic pits or etches on the printing plate's surface, which will hold ink and produce the final image. The result is typically a subtle gradation of tones that resemble watercolor washes. This technique is often used in printmaking to create atmospheric effects or to depict delicate subjects like landscapes and portraits. Aquatint is considered a versatile and sophisticated printmaking technique that requires skill and patience to master.